Hey guys, and welcome to Voipost Academy. Here we talk about coding in the most subjective and unwary way. I'm Nikita, and today we'll show you how to properly handle API calls in React.js. Don't forget subscribing to our channel and like this video. Just calling an API endpoint is not enough, and you need to take care of your user. Otherwise, who would be doing this? And I will show you 4 dummy situations, very simple ones, in which most of the beginners fail. First situation. I believe most of you saw this at least once. You do an API call and then you do something else. The bad thing is that the API call is asynchronous, so your user will always see a success message, but at the same time, you don't know actually if the API call is successful or it failed. Furthermore, because you also don't handle the error, you might just have a white screen and then you will really disappoint your user. So don't show alerts and don't do any post actions before the API request has succeeded. Simple as this. Even if you wait for successful API result, still don't forget to handle API errors, otherwise you just get a white screen. That's how it should look like. You handle API errors, you wait until the API request has completed, and only after you show the success message. Otherwise, if something goes wrong, you show the failure message. And please never ever use then catch methods. For this, you have async await, which looks like this. It's much more readable and people will understand you better. Please don't do it this way. Thanks for watching. Give us feedback in the comments below. We need this. We need to understand how we can be better, and subscribe to us and tell about us to your friends.